Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this beautiful 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. One of the first ones made, I think either 2015 or 2016 was the first year of the Hellcat. So this is one of the very first ones. It might have the mid muffler delete, I'm not 100% sure. It's definitely louder than my Scat Pack. Try to aim the vents away, but it's 92 degrees out. What are my intake air temperatures at? Yeah, that's hot. That is warm. 165 degree intake air temperatures. You have your SRT mode. We of course have the red key. So you have track, sport, custom, default, eco. But where's the fun in that? Let's go into full track mode. This one has 41,000 miles on it, but this thing's beautiful. I can't see, buddy. That whine is so addicting. Get a little bit of a gap. Let's try it out. Muscle cars are the best cars. In track mode, it gets a little bouncy. So once you put it into street, or default I should say, steering is a lot lighter. Suspension's just a little bit smoother. You can measure all kinds of stuff. Engine torque, engine power. You can go air fuel ratio. Coolant temp, tire pressure, coolant temp, oil, no, that's transmission temp, oil temp, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, intake air temperature. Oh, that's a Hellcat thing right there. Oh, now you see why I'm gonna buy one of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.